So here we are on Trellis Lane in Spring Arbor with a view of our gazebo and looking at some of our beautiful homes that have been completed here. Panning down and around, we have a house that's under construction. It's Alma's house. Huh. Alma, what are you doing?
Hey Donna, how are you?
I'm good, but love.
Is there a problem, Donna?
Love the decor you have on there. What are you up to?
I can't stand this rain. I came to help. I thought the guys needed help.
I know they would love.
I'm ready for it, Donna. I'm so anxious to get into this house. I love it.
I know.
It's taking forever because of the rain.
No, well, we've had such a dry summer, but for some reason the clouds opened up the last few days. But look, the sun is out.
know.
It's shining. It'll be done.
But there's nobody here to tell me what to do, to tell me where to start. I want to do something.
I want you to come with me. We'll go back to the office, and how about we have some tea?
Oh, Donna. Maybe I'm like this because I've had too much coffee?
I don't know.
You think?
I don't know, but I know you're ready for it. I know I can't wait to see you get in.
I'm so disappointed the men aren't here.
They'll be here. It's Saturday.
Oh.
It's Saturday.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, Donna, I'm so disappointed I can't help out.
But the guys will be here first
I
thing.
brought my light just in case we had to go into the dark. Donna.
I can't tell you.
All the way.
I can't tell you how nice you look, though. You look so great. You're all ready.
Oh, I even have brought my hammer.
Yes.
There aren't too many hammers I can pick up because I'm tiny, so I brought my hammer. Oh.
Well, I'll tell the guys first thing Monday morning, 6 a.m. when they're here.
I'll be here.
Well.
You think?
Well, we'll talk about that when we go to the office.
We have tea.
Let's have tea.
Okay.
All right, bye.
All right.